In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a landing page in Gumroad. If you find this useful, consider subscribing and liking the video. Let's dive right in. First off, let's make sure you have your Gumroad account up and running. If you don't have an account yet, go ahead and sign up. It's a simple process. Once you're all set, go ahead and log in to your dashboard. The dashboard is where all the magic happens. You'll find all the necessary tools at your fingertips, and I'll walk you through the process step by step. Once you're logged in, you're going to look for the option to create a new product. This might be clearly marked, but in case you don't see it right away, you'll find it in a prominent location on your dashboard. It should be something like New Product, or possibly represented with a plus sign. Click on that, and you'll be taken to a page where you can start to customize your product. Now you'll want to name your new product. For this example, let's call it Landing Page. This is an important step because the name you choose will give your potential customers their first impression of what you're offering. After entering the product name, you'll move on to the next section. In this section, you'll need to specify the type of product you're creating. Since we are creating a landing page, you'll want to select Digital Product. This tells Gumroad that you are offering something that can be downloaded or accessed online, which is perfect for landing pages or any digital content. Next, it's time to set the price for your product. Think carefully about what you'd like to charge, as this can impact your sales. You can also choose the currency that you prefer to use for this transaction. Once you are satisfied with the pricing, click on the Next button to continue. You'll find yourself in the Customization section now. Here, you can craft the description of your landing page. Take your time with this portion, as it's your opportunity to explain what the landing page is about, what visitors can expect, and why they should be interested. Be clear and engaging. Remember, this description is key to converting visitors into customers. After you've written your description, it's time to add a thumbnail cover. This is usually a visual that represents your product, and it's the first thing that potential customers will see. If you have a high-quality image related to your landing page, go ahead and upload it here. This could be a screenshot of the landing page or some artwork that encapsulates what you're offering. Once you have your description and image in place, you'll want to save these changes. There's often a button towards the bottom or top of the page to do this. Make sure to click it before moving on to ensure that all your hard work is not lost. Now it's time to insert or upload the files you want. If your landing page has any associated downloads, like guides, PDFs, or supplementary documents, you can attach them here. Click on the button that says Insert or Upload Files, and select the files from your computer that you want to include. This process should be straightforward. Once everything is uploaded and in place, you should complete your last check to ensure you haven't missed anything. And that's it. You've crafted a landing page in Gumroad from start to finish. Once you're happy with how everything looks and feels, don't hesitate to publish it. You'll want to review it again in either preview mode or after it's live to see how it appears to potential customers. Thank you for joining me today. Now that you have the tools and knowledge to create your own landing page in Gumroad, I hope you feel inspired to actually take those steps. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe. Good luck with your landing page, and I can't wait to see what you